everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Xbox gift cards. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening a web browser first, and soon after you do that, type in buy Xbox gift card and press the enter. From the search results, you can pick the link right here that says Xbox gift cards from Best Buy, or you can also choose Xbox and Microsoft gift cards from Microsoft stores. There are multiple search results from where you can buy Xbox gift cards easily. Let me go click on Amazon.com Xbox gift card link right here, and in order to buy gift cards from Amazon, you'll need to be logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and log into your account first. As soon as you do that, from this page, you can select any gift cards that you'd like to buy. You can choose from the categories displayed at the right-hand menu. Click on your choice and select the cards accordingly. Once you select your card that you'd like to purchase, give it a click, and you'll be able to see your product details on the next page. Go through the informations and click on the amount that you want to buy your gift card from. On the right hand side, click on the quantity option and select your quantity for your gift card. Now, after you do that, click on add to cart. Now, click on proceed to checkout and enter your Amazon account password one more time. After you do that, click on sign in. As soon as you do that, in the next page, you'll need to select a payment method. You can select credit or debit card method, gift cards, vouchers, and promotional codes by clicking on this link right here. You can use Amazon.com store card and personal checking accounts as well. Let me click on add a credit or debit card. Now, enter your card number in the box. After you do that, type in the name on the card and select the expiration date for your card. Once you do that, you can set it as a default payment method, or if you don't want to do that, uncheck this box right here and click on add your card. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to buy Xbox gift cards online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.